driving me crazy. The van door is not sliding. The slider is knackered, it's worn out. It's an easy fix. That's it. That's the one thing that is stopping your T4 sliding door from actually sliding properly. The old one gets worn. These bits here, they just break off, become crappy, they get jammed, and the door is just an absolute nightmare. I'll show you what I mean. As you can see, that is the old roller. It's absolutely knackered. When you compare it to the new one, there's literally no comparison. And the good thing about it is that it's just that Allen key there and that Allen key there. So let's go and get some Allen keys, put this one on and chuck that one in the bin. Now, you do need to be careful, because when you take this bottom rail off, this door is going to be free. Just be careful, because you don't want the door falling off, damaging the door. If there's two of you, easy job. One can hold the door, the other one can do the mechanics. That's the old roller. It's not even rolling. They're rolling. That's stuck. That's not even rolling. It's just seized. But the new one rolls. Now, it slots in to the actual channel and then it bolts onto your door. So let's slot it into the channel and see what it looks like. Now, one thing to make sure is that this channel inside that it rolls on, give that a clean, because a lot of people spray oil in there and you spray WD-40 in there, and what it does is it just knackers up the roller, so these wheels just get clogged with absolute rubbish. Clean your channel and then fit your roller. The roller will slide in just in there and then it'll come along. Then we can attach it to the door. It's nice and easy, it's only 2 bolts, it's straightforward.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed you to.
Now we've got the door on, the hinge is on, looking good. Once we've cleaned the channel, we're going to spray some underbody sealant just in the channel, just so it looks nice and fresh and clean. So let's clean it and let's get some spraying done. We've attached it, we've cleaned it and we've sprayed it with some underbody. Let's see how the door runs now. This is an easy job. Like I said before, you can do it. You don't need to be paying loads of mechanics fees. It's something that you can do on your own. The parts are dead cheap. Get it on Amazon, you can get it on eBay, you can get it from loads of places. But make sure when you do buy it, there's 2 different types of the T4. One's a longer one, one's a shorter one. So don't forget, if you have found this video interesting, please leave us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave us some comments in the comment section below. Have you done your trolling door? Have you noticed the difference? Don't forget as well, there are 2 different types of rollers for the C4. There's a shorter one and there's a longer one. If you're going to do it, make sure you get the right one for the job as well. I'm going to be taking you on some crazy journeys over the next few months, whether it be rain, wind, snow, whatever the weather. It doesn't matter to us. Get a van, get it built, get out there, and don't forget, whatever you do, do it well. See you in the next video.